To determine the derated ampacity for three 535MCM Loco cables in a conduit, we need to follow a few steps. These steps involve understanding the cable's ampacity in free air and applying the appropriate correction factors based on the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Firstly, the given ampacity of the 535MCM Loco cable is 730 amps when it is installed as a single conductor in free air. This free air rating represents the maximum current the cable can safely carry under ideal conditions where heat dissipation is optimal. Secondly, because the cables are installed in a conduit, they are subject to a grouping correction factor. The NEC provides tables to account for the reduced heat dissipation when multiple conductors are bundled together in a raceway or conduit. According to NEC Table 310.15, C1, when there are 3 current carrying conductors in a conduit, the correction factor is 0.7. This factor accounts for the mutual heating effect of the conductors, reducing their individual ampacity to ensure safe operation. Thirdly, to calculate the derated ampacity, we multiply the free air ampacity by the correction factor. In this case, the calculation is 730 amps multiplied by 0.7, which equals 511 amps. Therefore, the derated ampacity for three 535MCM Loco cables in a conduit is 511 amps. This means that when these 3 cables are installed together in a conduit, the maximum current they should carry is 511 amps to prevent overheating and potential damage. It is crucial to adhere to these derating guidelines to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Ignoring these factors can lead to insulation breakdown, conductor damage, and potentially fire hazards. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and relevant manufacturer specifications to ensure accurate and safe installation practices. Additionally, other factors may further affect the ampacity. These can include the ambient temperature around the conduit and the type of terminations used. High ambient temperatures require additional derating. The NEC provides correction factors for temperature as well. Terminations must also be rated for at least the ampacity of the conductor, or you use the lowest rated device in the circuit.